Here comes the last part of Temple gameplay for the Player Appreciation event, an event that saw over 450 players whose ticket sales went to charitable organizations like Cancer Research. We left off last time after Game 2 had began. Tan Team stepped up their game, slowing down the green push, but now both teams are at a standstill. Tan Team is heavily supported with mobile fire with the Humvee, but will it really help in the long run? Well, let's find out right here through the camera that you love the most. This is USAirsoft, and this is the Player Appreciation event at Temple, Texas at Temple Airsoft.
Right behind the stop sign.
I'm gonna try to boost across and get to the 2015 building.
Really, you want to call that?
All right.
Whatever you want. I'll cover you.
On 3, 2,
Hey,
1,
Pete,
go.
you want to take this tower? Pete, you want to take this tower?
Yeah, I want to take this tower.
All right,
Go.
we need one more flag. Not that one. Hit. Hey, you got one behind the. You. Big boy gun.
Oh.
Hold up, man, I'm moving. Cover me. Got 2. Got 3. Fucking move! Fucking move! Head!
And that's a dead battery.
Hey! Hey, we need to take that tower on the left! Right now! Fucking move! Take this tower! Watch right side!
Remember, you're on your knees.
Watch your left!
All right, let's still hold up this so they don't.
Watch the right, straight across. Oh, he's still right there. Hey, got one right behind the APC still.
Hit.
There you go.
Head down, head down, head down.
You dropped the mag, you dropped the mag.
Someone dropped the mag.
What is it? Hit!
Hit!
Hit! Green team! Green team by the picnic table!
And that's it. That's the end of my footage from the Temple Player Appreciation event. Without a doubt, Green Team took the game again, despite the Tan Team getting the once mentioned overpowered spawn point. I don't think I need to mention that I had a lot of fun at Temple Airsoft like I always do in Texas, but what do you think of this field? And should I go back? Let me know in the comments down below, and check out the description for links to all the other parts of gameplay I shot here. But until that next video drops from the city of San Antonio, this has been Scott Hollenbeck, and I'll be sure to see you all next time.
Howdy. You know what? For the longest time, I didn't know you had a YouTube, man. I just found this sucker.
Yeah, I do model trains.
Dude, oh yeah. Coolest channel ever.
We're gonna sell it off. It's gonna be now this train set.
Yeah.
Good channel.